Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So today I will describe about a IoT based coal mine safety system. We used here a GSM module to make sure the internet for our total system because it's IoT project, that's why we need internet connection, and we want to use this total system in a rural area also. So we used here a Arduino Uno 1 SMPS, and this SMPS will produce voltage for our total system. Arduino is the main controller of our total system, but we use here different kinds of sensors. You see here that we decorate here a pond system or coal mine. To measure the temperature of our coal mine, we use here a waterproof temperature sensor, and for any abnormal condition notification, we use here a red color bulb and it will switching by using this relay. Now we will open our Blink app, and you see here that our Blink app is showing that coal mine safety system is offline now. So when it will be online, at that time this offline icon will be removed from here, and now we make sure the power supply for our total system, and we need to check the blinking of our GSM module. When it will be blinking in every seconds, at that moment it will be online. So just wait for a while. So you see here that it's blinking continuously now, so it will be online in our smartphone coal mine safety system. So you see here that offline icon is removed here and our total system is online now. You see here that here we used 5 gases, and smoke, soil moisture, water level, LDR value and temperature sensor is the main parts of our project, and we try to show all the value in this one slot. So this is the smoke sensor, and this is for soil sensor, and next is our water level control. This is ultrasonic sensor will be make sure the water level, and LDR we used here a LDR, and last one is temperature sensor that was used here as a waterproof temperature sensor. So now we will check our all system. When it will be abnormal condition, our red alert will be turned on. So now we will produce smoke to our smoke sensor or gas sensor. So just see this one, our smoke is detected and red alert is turned on, and our value of our gas is increasing here, and it will be reduced in a short time. So it's reduced now. Again we'll check our smoke sensor because it was not clear view, and now we will see the value of our smoke. So you see here that smoke value is will be increased here, red alert is turned on, and smoke value is changed, it's 252. So it will be reduced in a short time. Just wait for a while. Okay, it's reduced, and now we will check our soil value. So you see here that it's 91, it will be reduced to 36, and red alert is on. So after that we will check our water level, and for that case we will set our hand in front of our ultrasonic sensor, and when it will be accurate water level, at that moment red alert will be turned on. So we give here a time, delay time, it's 1 second only. For that reason red alert is turning off, and then when it will be checked again that water level is high, then it will be alarming us again. So now we will check our LDR value. In this case we will set our mobile torch in front of our LDR, and when it will be get more lights, at that moment its value will be reduced. Finally we need to check the temperature value. of our temperature sensor which is set up in our coal mine area. So we will make sure the temperature from fire, and then we will check the value of our temperature. So you see here that it's 26. After some times it will increase. So you see here that it's 27. Just wait, it's 53. So after some times it will be reduced. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and if you like this video then you can subscribe our channel or follow us on our Facebook page. So assalamu alaikum.